Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video about rotating off center. And then I started thinking, what if you didn't want a circle there? Well, a six-sided star will go to the center of the page. You could actually make it a five-sided star now. Color it in with a color. Maybe take away the outline. Select it all and go back minus front. Now you have a star hole, which isn't clickable, so it's not really there. Now, you could go further with that and fill it in with a color and take away the outline. Of course, the outline's going to show. But that's pretty cool within itself. But also what you could do that really would look cool is select it all and go intersect. Look at this. You've got a colored twisted star out of the center. Many, many things you can do with stuff like that. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.